Thutha wa gutabania mirurungano kundu gutiganite guku bururi-ini, arigitani aria makoretwo maigite mirothi kwa ihinda ria thiku 99 riu ni maiguaneire thutha wa mendekithia maria matemanitie gukinyanira ngirimiti-ini ya gucoka wira iria mekiraneire na kanjo ya magavana.
But for the Council of Governors, I think today is the last day of our strike. And I believe that we'll be able to cordially agree on all the issues. And I really hope that going forward, we'll be able to work together so that we do not have these kind of strikes.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arigitani niwe George Gifore, augite thirikari cia matura kuhitukira kanjo ya magavana ni maiguithanirie uria mekuruta wira na makiria hari kuigira arigitani aya insurance.
The Council of Governors, that we the clinical officer are your complement, not your enemy. We can work together to better the service of our people and to ensure for us when we are there, we are only asking for accountability or for enhancement of the existing laws. Honestly, the Council of Governors has done very well, the 47 counties. Because out of the 47, only 7 counties are in the process of ensuring that all the health workers are onboarded on some medical scheme that is actually allowable by law.
Ona gukiri uguo, arigitani aria marutaga wira rungu rwa thibitari cia muingi iria iramatagwo ni thirikari nene matigucokereria wira kuona kiama giki ni kimenereirie ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni kwaga kuhingia rendekithia ona rimwe gatagati ka maria mandikaniire.
But from the Ministry of Health and the people who should actually be showing leadership, we have seen lack of it and we have not seen that commitment. So the strike continues on the side of the Ministry of Health. Because there are issues that we have not been able to agree, we do not have a return to work agreement there.
Ihinda-ini o riu, kanjo ya magavana yuritie Kenya kwiyandikithia mubango-ini mweru wa kandi ya urigitani wa muingi ya SHIF.
All the Kenyans to be onboarded on SHA or move from NHIF to SHA. And currently we have experienced a bit of resistance in a few places where our people out there think that the registration that is being done to onboard them is a form of taxing them, and I want to use this platform to do it.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua Waboshi.